No one likes being ill and getting admitted to the hospital, but while the process of treatment and medication and recovery is one part of the nightmare, checking out of the hospital is almost as stressful. That uneasy feeling on whether the insurance claim will be honored or not, and the self-doubt on whether you have chosen the right cashless policy or will you have to swipe that credit card and get your insurance provider subsequently. Finally, there is some relief. Insurance Regulator has asked all insurance providers to approve cashless claims within 1 hour flat and provide final authorization for discharge from the hospital within 3 hours. The circulars is strongly worded. It clarifies that the policyholder should not be made to wait to be discharged from the hospital, and if there is any delay beyond 3 hours, the additional amount charged by the hospital will have to be paid by the insurer. But it's not just good news for those seeking discharge. Even in the unfortunate advent of death of the insured, the insurance provider will have to immediately process the request for claim settlement and make sure that the mortal remains are released from the hospital immediately. Now, these new rules are to be put into place by 31st of this year, or 31st of July this year. The regulator is pushing for transparency as well, which means no more powers vested in the hands of call center agents or those at the back end, which can delay patients or their families. There will now be dedicated help desks at hospitals to ensure cashless requests are honored in a time-bound fashion. In a proactive mode, Insurance Regulator and Regulatory as well as Development Authority of India, which is irdai, is also now set to introduce a more diverse range of health insurance products and add-ons that seek to cover all age groups of potential patients, multiple regions, varied occupation, and a wide scope of treatment for those seeking it. We hope you wouldn't have to use any of these services, but should you need to, your insurance settlement experience is likely to get better starting 31st of July.